Hey guys, welcome back to the Claude series. In the previous episode, we understood what Claude is and why testers should learn it. In today's video, we will create a Claude account and take a quick tour of the interface. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where everything is and be ready to start using Claude. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start creating a Claude account. Open claude.com and once you are in the home page, you will be able to see two options. One is continue with Google and one is continue with email. You can select any of these options. I have selected continue with email and then provide the email ID and click on continue, and then verification code will be sent to your email. So enter the code and click on verify email address. In the next screen, you should provide the consent and click on create account. And you will be able to see all the plans. Select a free plan for now because for learning Claude and hands-on practice, it should be sufficient. In the next screen, you will see an option to download the Windows application. Go ahead and download the Claude Desktop app because features like code and co-work are currently available only in the Windows application. And once the download is completed, open the Claude setup.exe file. The installation will start automatically and within a few moments, Claude will be installed and launch on its own. When Claude opens, click get started and then enter your email address and click on continue. Claude will then send a verification code to your email. Enter the verification code and click continue again. On the next screen, you will see a toggle called help improve our AI models. If you are comfortable sharing your chats and coding sessions to help improve Claude's AI models, you can turn this option on. If not, you can leave it off. Then click continue. And in the next screen, enter your name and click on continue. And in the next screen, select your role and you can either select I have my own topic or choose one of the suggested topics to get started. That's it guys, your Claude account is now set up and you will be taken to the Claude interface and it's now ready to start using it. Now that we have created our account, let's understand the interface. Let's start with the most important part, the prompt box. This is where you will type your questions or instructions to Claude. The next one is chat history. On the left side, you will see all your previous conversations. So Claude automatically saves them. So if you worked on something yesterday, you can come back and continue from where you left off. If you are starting a new task, simply click new chat. For example, you can keep one chat for requirement analysis, another for SQL and another for automation. This keeps everything organized. Next one is projects. Think of projects as a folder. Click on projects and you can see all your projects here. You can also create a new project, provide a project name and provide description about the project and click on create project. And yeah, it's created. You can group all the chats related to one project in a single page, making it easier to manage your work. Next one is models. You may also notice that Claude offers different models and then you can see effort, which is effort taken by Claude to generate the responses. By default, the effort is medium, but you can always switch back to low or medium or high. Next to the prompt box, you will see this plus icon. Click on it and you can see several useful options. Let's see what each one does. First one is add files or photos. This is probably the feature you will use the most as a tester. You can upload requirements documents, user stories, API responses, Excel files or PDFs. Instead of copying and pasting hundreds of lines, simply upload the file and ask Claude questions about it. We will be using this feature extensively in the upcoming videos. Next one is add to project. If you want this chat to be added to the project, you can select this option and you can either add to an existing one or create a new project and add to that. Next one is skills. Skills are built-in capabilities that help Claude perform specific tasks more effectively. As a beginner, you no need to worry about this too much because we will mostly use simple prompts throughout this series. Next one is connectors. Connectors allow Claude to access information from other tools such as Google Drive or Microsoft or Outlook or other supported devices. This is mainly useful if your documents are stored in those platforms. Next one is add plugins. Plugins extend Claude's capabilities by integrating with external services. But for most software testing tasks, especially if you are starting out, you won't need plugins. Next one is web search. With web search enabled, Claude can search the internet to provide up-to-date information. For example, if you ask about the latest Selenium version or recent Playwright updates, Claude can fetch current information from the web. So in this video, we created a Claude account, explored the interface and learned where the important features are. In the next episode, we will see how Claude can help us understand requirement documents much faster. If you have ever spent hours reading long requirement documents, you won't want to miss this one. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next episode.